Ako po si Maureen, ang primary operator ng One Head Brother Ember machine dito sa Transfer 8 Pavilion. Ang One Head Brother machine namin ay madalas magamit and last week po meron kaming 15 pieces output. Ito po ang aming monitor screen, ang USB port, bobbin rewinder, AVR, unused thread, used thread, Ember tools, frame storage, at mga pelon. Ito po ang aming needle bar, maayos naman po siyang magtahi. Ito po ang aming production log, inventory checklist, and maintenance report. Ang storage capacity ng saving file namin ay 7,654 MB and nakapagbura po kami ng 3 file last week. File, record, and monitor and USB status ay good. Thank you.